In this tutorial, I will show you how to add realistic light like this in Photoshop. Create 3 new layers and name it. Hide these 2 layers for now. Pick Brush tool. Select Soft Rounded Brush. Hardness 0%. Opacity and flow 100%. Change blend mode to linear dodge. Right-click and choose blending options. Uncheck transparency shapes layer and click OK. Unhide this layer and follow the process. Go to Blending Options. Drag the slider to the right a bit. Hold Alt or Option key to break the slider and make softer edges. Create one more layer. Press Ctrl or Command T and scale it. Hit Enter to accept changes. Hide the layer. Pick Polygonal Lasso tool and follow the process. Click on Mask icon. Select Mask Layer. If you don't have this panel here, you can find it from Window and select Properties. Drag Feather slider to the right till get the best result. Change mode to linear dodge, and repeat the process as other layers. Decrease opacity around 40%. Select all layer. Press Ctrl or Command G to group. Press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate. Ctrl or Command T. Right-click and choose Flip Horizontal. Then adjust on other light of the car. That's it for today, and see you on next tutorial.